In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code on your Windows 11 computer. So first, just open up an internet browser and you need to type in Visual Studio Code and then just hit enter. Now click on this top website, which is the official code.visualstudio.com. And from here, we can either click on the download button in the top right hand side, or you can just go and select download for Windows. Now that's going to automatically start downloading and it's going to ask you where you want to save this to. So I'm just going to select my downloads folder and press save. Now once this is finished downloading, we can simply click on the application to open it, go and press OK, agree to the terms and conditions and press next. Click on next again, click on next, click on add open code action to Windows Explorer file context menu, and also we want to select add open with code action to Windows Explorer directory context menu. You can also decide whether you want to create a desktop icon. I like to keep this one ticked and press next, and then go and press install. Now you just need to give that a few moments while it installs Visual Studio Code to your system. Now just check the box next to launch Visual Studio Code and press finish. Now what you can do is either go through the options in this list below. So for example, you can go and choose a theme. By default, it's going to be set to dark modern, but you can change this to a light or a dark high contrast theme. It's entirely up to you. Once you're finished, click on Explorer in the top left hand side and you can go and begin creating projects. So if you want to create a new file, you can just click on File in the top left hand side, select a new file or new text file, and you can begin creating your code. Now we also have this desktop application over here. So once you've closed out of your application, you can just double click on this to relaunch the application. You'll also notice that when we head over to any of the folders on our computer, if you right click somewhere and click on show more options, we now have these options to open in terminal and also open with code. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you install Visual Studio Code to your system. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.